Something extraordinary is unfolding in the skies over New Jersey, leaving both residents and experts searching for answers. Reports of enormous UFOs, some the size of minibuses, have sparked national intrigue and local concern. With thousands of sightings and even law enforcement stepping in with industrial-grade drones, one question dominates. What's flying over New Jersey? Is this a glimpse at cutting-edge military experiments? A threat to national security? Or could it finally be the first step in alien contact? Stay tuned as we break down this extraordinary story and take you straight to the heart of the action. Welcome to StarXtreme, where the journey begins. The story began when residents across New Jersey counties started reporting strange flying objects in the night sky. The drones appeared large, silent, and operated in precise patterns, sometimes hovering over neighborhoods, highways, and remote areas. These sightings weren't isolated. Soon, people from New York and Pennsylvania were reporting the same thing. Witnesses described the objects as being bigger than commercial drones and equipped with bright, steady lights that didn't behave like typical aircraft. Some of these drones seemed to have a triangle shape, pretty much like the triangle UFOs we have seen on multiple occasions all over the world. Many assume they could be hobbyist drones, but the size, number, and strange coordination suggested something more sophisticated and, God forbidding, sinister. Local authorities and law enforcement, overwhelmed by calls from concerned citizens, began taking the reports seriously. Questions arose. Who was flying these drones? Were they surveillance drones from Iran or China? Even President-elect Donald Trump in a recent interview said that the U.S. government knows all about these UFOs and even has knowledge of the secretive base they are taking off from.
Can you comment on the drones that are flying around New Jersey ports? It seems like the American people have a big disconnect.
The government knows what is happening. Look, our military knows where they took off from.
Amid growing uncertainty, a New Jersey sheriff's office decided to take matters into their own hands. To get answers, they launched an industrial-grade drone capable of tracking objects in flight. These drones are often used for emergencies like search and rescue missions or disaster relief, not for chasing UFOs. The sheriff's drone took off into the dark skies, hoping to intercept the mysterious objects and gather concrete evidence. However, the operation didn't go as planned. The UFO-like drones seem to evade detection effortlessly, going to show that these drones are highly advanced compared to the tech we have right now. Reports say the sheriff's drone lost track of the objects as they either moved out of range or disappeared completely. Pretty much like UFO dogfights in the past, where the UFOs just zoom away at lightning speed when being chased by our fighter jets. While the drone chase didn't solve the mystery, it certainly added to the intrigue. These objects were smart, coordinated, and not easy to follow. As the sightings continued, so did the theories. Some speculate the drones belong to the military, conducting secret training exercises or surveillance operations. Others worried about countries like China, Russia, and Iran using high-tech equipment to gather information about the U.S. military. A few even pointed to private companies testing advanced drone technologies without proper permits. Aside from all these plausible theories, most people believe that these so-called drones are actually alien UFOs, making bold moves as they are about contact with mankind. In 2024 alone, there have been more than 20 alien and UFO sightings with hard-hitting video evidence. Government agencies, including the FBI and the Department of Homeland Security, launched investigations to uncover the truth, but to no avail. Their involvement only deepened public curiosity, as no official explanations were provided. For now, the origins and purpose of these drones remain a mystery. But why is the U.S. government and military hiding all this information from the general public?
We haven't seen anything unusual. We know of no threat, close quote.
Are they worried it will create mass hysteria? The event has raised real concerns for both residents and officials. People questioned the safety and privacy risks posed by unidentified drones flying over populated areas and, in some cases, just a few hundred feet above their homes. Lawmakers are demanding more transparency and stricter drone regulations to prevent similar incidents in the future.
Written the Secretary of Homeland Security, Secretary Mayorkas, not only to urge action on technology like the Robin, but also to get him to support legislation. It's called S-1631. Right now, state and local law enforcement does not have the ability or the legal authority to detect drones.
Despite increased patrols and advanced detection systems, no breakthroughs have been reported. The unidentified drones have seemingly vanished as quietly as they appeared, leaving authorities and citizens puzzled. But what are your opinions about these UFOs darting over New Jersey? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for the latest revelations in space exploration. Hit the bell icon to stay updated, and let's continue to explore together.